Wi-Fi computer plus a robot, which will be controlled manually, actually wirelessly. So let's see what are we using. So in the first video of our channel, we have seen how to make a Raspberry Pi computer, and now the computer is the same only, but we are using two geared motors, plastic geared motors, a small power bank battery, and one motor driver. You can see it here. And let's now close it. And see what are the softwares required and the hardware is required. So just first switch on your Pi. Now it's switching on. You can use a small wireless keyboard, but in the previous video I have given you the drivers which will install the TFT touchscreen panel, so you can use the touchscreen also, but for better use you can use this type of mini keyboards available in the market. They have a small wireless adapter here which you can easily insert in the Raspberry Pi. See, I have also done small adapter. So now it's on. I think now it would be clear for you. Switch on the connector, and now select one Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have selected a Wi-Fi named myself only, Ashfaq. So let's give the password. And press enter. Just connect your Pi to any of your Wi-Fi. Okay, now move on to the software part. So the software parts include very small things and the code. So as you know, we have switched on the Raspberry Pi. So after switching it on, what we have to do is just first go to Google, open your router's IP, or you can also say open your router settings. Now I know you must know the IP of your router, as I'm using a Airtel Wi-Fi mini hotspot. So first I will type 192.168.1.1. so this is the router IP address. Now enter it, and now you can check here which are the connected people. So you can see here there is one Raspberry Pi, and you can get the IP here. So it's very easy. Just open PuTTY. You can get the software download link in the description of the video. So paste, just copy and paste the IP. Remember that your Raspberry Pi computer should be on. And now here we will see that it will ask us for logging in. PuTTY is used to open the LX terminal. Let's try it once again. Make sure your Raspberry Pi is also connected to this network. you can see it is asking you for logging in. So the normal logging in ID of the Raspberry Pi is Pi, and you can set the password, but the normal password is Raspberry. But as I have changed the password, so I will type my password. If you want to change the password, just type PASSWD, enter the current password, then retype the new password, and etc. So let them things stop. Okay, now we will now switch on the VNC server. You can also get the VNC viewer and the VNC server application from the below given link. So now we will move on to VNC viewer. You can see here we got an IP, and this IP only we will use to view the Raspberry Pi in the VNC viewer. So just paste the IP. Okay, cut this and press enter. Just put the password which you remember. Okay, you have to put the right password which you used in the terminal. Now you can see we are connected to the Raspberry Pi remotely. We will now just open the program. Okay, the how to save the program. Okay, I can show you how to do it for better explanation. Let's zoom it out first. So what you have to do to make a new directory, just type mkdir, make directory, and name of the directory, name of the directory, and press enter. Okay, now your directory has been made. You can see in file manager name of the directory. Like that only, I have made one directory named Ashfaq, and I have saved the program code there. So what was the program? Let me show you. You can save it as any name you want. So this is the program. You can copy and paste the whole program from the below given description. So this is the program. Let's not close it. This is the program, and after making the directory, open programming, go to Python IDE 3, go to file, open new file, paste the code here and save it to your directory. After doing all that things, now you can open your directory, type cd, name of your directory. So my name of the directory is ASHFAQU Shwak. Then press enter, then press ls to see what are the files present in your directory. So I have test1.py. So to open it, just type sudo python test1.py and press enter. So now you can see one tk will be appearing here. It is very common. Do not close it because your program will not run, but it is, you can hide it somewhere. So now if you press type, your robot will go front, press S, your robot will go backward, press Q, pivot turn right, press E, pivot turn left, press A, turn right left, and press D to turn right. So it's very easy, and let's now see how the robot works. So I am now switching it once more for you to let you know that how it works. So you know the ways what you have to do. It's very simple. So just switch on the putty, paste the IP, press enter, log in as Pi, type your password, then press enter. Okay, yes. Press enter. Open the VNC server. VNC server. You can see here the Raspberry Pi computer is switched on. Now just go to the VNC viewer, paste the IP. Okay, press enter. You are now getting connected. Okay, let's try it once more. I don't know. Okay, it was asking for the password. Enter. Okay, this is the computer that right now. Just you know what you have to open. See, now if I press W, it goes fine. Sorry for the mistake. I think there must be a connection error. Okay, sorry for the problem caused. It was a network error. So once again, we will just open that terminal. You know what you have to type. So now you can see I press W, the robot is moving forward, S backward, Q for turning right, E for turning left, A for normal R turn, D for R turn, Q for pivot and E for pivot turn. So that's all. I may wish that these computers may be working very nicely in future. I have thought for a project that if we got this type of computers, 30 computers in parallel, so we can make these small computers arrange in different topologies and use a Raspberry Pi cluster. So many more things. So till then, tata, bye bye.